What's the meaning of alopecia? Alopecia. 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 Alopecia.
Alopecia is a medical condition that causes hair loss, either in patches or all over the body. It can affect both men and women at any age and can be caused by various factors including genetics, autoimmune diseases, medications, hormonal changes, and stress. The result of alopecia can vary widely, from mild thinning of the hair to complete baldness. Some people may experience regrowth of their hair while others may need medical intervention to prevent further hair loss. Alopecia can have a significant impact on a person's self-esteem and quality of life.